Hi guys, the purpose of this video is that if you are on a computer and you are wanting to turn in your Google Doc, this is what you're going to do. So we have gone to Google, and if you're ready to turn it in for your grade, turn it into Seesaw, you're done with it. You're probably already in Google Docs. We're going to call this our home base. Okay, so home base, where you find everything, Google Docs. Then you are going to find your paper. I'm going to show you with a different one just so that there is writing. So when you're in your paper, you're ready to turn it in, you are not going to share it. You're going to be on the other side of the screen. Click File, Download, PDF. It's going to open up in a new screen, which means it's downloaded on a document in a way that you can't edit it. Really all you can do is print it or save it somewhere else. So I'm going to put that down here, and earlier I did practice with that one. Then you're going to Seesaw. If it's not attached to an activity, you will add, but if it's helping you with an activity here, then you're going to add your response and turn it in. Okay, so upload. Select from computer, and it should be in your downloads here on the side, and it's my very top one because the date modified was the last one. So I'm going to choose that document, and here's where I can turn it in. Each page of my document is a new page on Seesaw. So then I'm going to turn it in with my check. By viewing the original, I can see the whole paper. Remember, if you have questions, please go to our page and follow the help request ticket.